Tell us what you're doing.
What are we gathering?
Well, we're gathering small collections for some book covers.
Yes, bookmarks.
Bookmarks.
For what are we doing bookmarks for?
Some work that for mine.
Where we're at in school, huh? What
Oh,
books
yeah.
we're at?
The reading books.
All right.
Okay. What about some of these leaves? Do you think they would work? How many do you think we're going to need? Okay. How many bookmarks do you think we'll make?
None.
7 of them? How many bookmarks do you think we're going to make? 10?
How many bookmarks?
10.
10 bookmarks?
That's a lot of bookmarks. Do you think we're going to be reading that many books at once? You know, if we'd have thought about it, we could have brought a dumpster, grocery bag out to put the trash up.
Hey,
on
look,
our way.
there's white flowers and pink flowers.
Where? Oh, looky. Where's white ones?
Right there.
Oh, looky, here's some white flowers. Looky. We don't normally pick flowers, but these are about gone. So it'll be okay to take 1 or 2. Here, put it in the bag. There's one more here. You want to get that one? Okay, put it in. Here. Oh, you showing the thing? How about some of these pretty red ones? You want to grab some of those?
Pop. Pop. 2.
You're going to need more. Because if you're going to make a bunch of... Just put them in. You don't want to squish them. You don't want to roll them in your fingers, honey. Go like this, go.
Oh.
Watch. You go back here. Pull it. See, look, I got a stem on here.
That's probably enough, isn't it?
Yeah, that'll probably work. So these aren't going to be real big bookmarks. Let's see.
Oh.
Ooh, those would be some interesting leaves, yeah.
I'm gonna pick a 20.
I picked one. Here. I think you got to pull it sideways. There you go.
You got 3.
Yep. You want to get a couple more so we'll have them? Here. Take this one down here. Okay. Watch your fingers. There's pricklies on that. Grab the green and go towards the wall. There you go.
There's a different kind here, too.
Aren't those what these are in the yard?
I don't know. No, I think those come from the tree up there.
Want to take a couple leaves off of this? No? You want some of them little ones? No? I think some little ones. I think some little ones would be cute in the. Put a big one and some little ones in. That'd be really pretty nice looking. That'd be very manly. We want manly, right? Because you're a boy.
Did you see that?
See what?
It kind of got on me, but I dodged.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, what do you think? How's that looking?
Pretty good, but I want some more.
There's some bright yellow.
This? I want one more twig to make this.
Okay. Is that tiny enough? Let me see. Yeah, those will work.
They have peanuts.
Okay. So you think that's good? No, that's all right. All right. Now you gotta take this home. Hold the top of it so it doesn't get. We'll take it home, then we'll make the.
So
We'll use a different scissors.
we're coming in a little late because I had to get stuff together. But Z, what are we making?
Bookmarks.
What are we gonna do with the bookmarks?
Put them on the books.
What books are we using them for?
Science books and my favorite books, reading books.
Your reading books.
Mm-hmm.
We like to read, don't we? How often do we read?
Not that often.
We read every night.
At least
Yeah,
every
but-
night.
We read every night.
And sometimes, and most of the time, you and I read at least a couple times a day, don't we? So
Can
what
I
did
cut
you?
some for you?
Where did you do to get your stuff together? Did you and I go outside?
Mm-hmm. Like you saw on the other cards.
Oh yeah, this is part 2, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is the making of, huh?
This is kind of hard, isn't it? We gotta make all our pretty strips.
So why did you choose these colors, Z?
Because it's October colored seams.
Oh yeah, but it's not October yet. You just like those colors?
Mm-hmm.
So why are they October colors?
Because
What makes
I
you
like
think-
Halloween. That's one of my favorite reasons.
Do you know when Halloween is?
No.
You don't. I know when
What,
it
do
is.
you know what month it is in?
October 17th.
Well, you're
You
close.
got October right.
It's October 31st. Or is it 30th? I think it's 31st.
31st.
October 31st.
You're doing a pretty good job cutting there, dude.
Thank you. Shing.
How many pieces do you think we'll need to make? How many bookmarks did you want to make?
Maybe like a bunch of them.
A bunch of them?
Well, what's a bunch? You had a number earlier. I think you said 10. How many are you going to make right now?
I think 100. Because it's so huge.
You're very ambitious. Do you know what ambitious means,
What?
Auntie?
It means you have high goals. It means you set your standards and your goals very high.
So do you have high goals?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so.
Very high.
Like in karate. What do you think your goals are in karate? What do you want to happen in karate?
To save the world from bad guys.
Yeah. But what in your actual karate classes, what is your goal? What do you want to become?
A black belt.
You want to become a black belt. Do we have to work hard to become a black belt?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Are you going to do it?
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
Maybe
But
we should.
when I grow up to 7,
Well, we need to get some of your karate videos uploaded too, huh?
Mhm.
So people can see what you're doing there.
Because you are already a master, aren't you?
mm-hmm.
Okay, do you think we got enough paper to get started? We need a little yellow here, huh?
You mean
Orange.
orange?
Yeah, orange.
So are we just cutting paper, or what are we doing?
Well, we're cutting
Paper.
paper to make, some of them should be strips, and some of them should be just little pieces, so he can arrange them the way he wants
Oh, okay.
Let me help
inside the bookmark.
you. I'm helping you, Aya.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to hold on. Here, okay, you cut. We need little pieces.
Okay, this might have to be a 3-part series too, because unfortunately, I do believe that we're coming up on our limit of what we can upload.
Okay, well, why don't we stop for a minute?
Stop for a minute so I can.
So how wide should we make the bookmark?
That wide.
This wide?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and we're going to do how many?
Looks to me like you only have
2 or
room to
3.
do 2 right now.
Huh?
Maybe 2 or 3.
Looks to me like you only have room to do 2 right now.
Yeah. All right. Some of them are bigger than others, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now.
But that's okay. Accidents happen.
Here's what we gotta do. First, we have to fold this in half. You're gonna come over here and help me? Okay. Wait a minute, let me get it. Okay, now you make a crease on there. Start in the middle and go out. There you go. Make it nice and sharp. Make a nice sharp crease there. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now we get to decorate it. Now I think that's a little bit too long for most of your books. So we'll go like that, and then you watch with this. Okay? Oh, I cut a piece off. There we go. Now,
Look
you
at
have,
that.
now, on this half, see the line?
Mm-hmm.
So on this half, you have to put your posies and your flowers and your paper. What colors do you want on this one?
Some orange, some
orange,
green,
some green,
and some blue.
some blue. You want this one? Okay. All right. What else do you want on there? Do you want to leave white petals?
Mm-hmm.
White petals? Okay.
1,
Put one up there.
2,
That's cool.
1.
All right. We don't want to put too much on there because we have to bring it over here.
Mm-hmm.
We have to set it over here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you have to help me iron it.
Yeah, iron.
Now
I'll
this
be
is
careful.
hot. Okay, so you have to get your, it's not hot there. Okay,
Okay.
then you go like this, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we come back up. Hold it for a second. And we flip it over. And we do the other side.
Ooh, that smells burnt.
It smells burnt.
Mm-hmm.
Looky,
Ew.
your first bookmark ever.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you show it to me and tell me about it a little bit?
Well, the orange means pumpkins, the blue means sky, the green means grass, and the petals means dying flowers.
They're dying flowers.
So the petals.
Well, I
so it's
think
all
we
about nature
preserved the flowers.
then? So it's all about nature then.
So it's all about nature. All right.
All right. I think showing one is probably enough for the video, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you say? What do you want to tell everybody? You gonna say goodbye to everybody?
Not yet. We have to make a second one.
No, we don't have to
Then-
make 2 of them.
We can make 2 of them, but not for the video. Just one for the video.
Okay.
And we could always do a little bit of a clip to show the very last one if it's
Okay.
cool, okay? If you want to show it. But why don't you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye, everybody.
Anything else?
See you all later. Bye.
You can't have any of it sticking out. It all has to be
This
inside.
is a little preview.
It all has to be inside the wax paper. Oh, looky here. This little piece is not inside. There we go.
There we go.
How's that?
Good.
Then take the iron very carefully. Lay it down on the end. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put it upright, because that's hot. Now why don't you ask Auntie if she'll be nice and turn that off for you.
Can you please turn this off for me?
Yes, I will, sir.
Thank you,
Now,
ma'am.